Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Plenty of Fish or PoF from your mobile device. So first of all, go to your App Store or Play Store and download the app called Plenty of Fish. And once it's downloaded, open it. After that, you'll have to tap on the option Continue. And now, in order to create your account, first of all, enter your username. After that, enter your first name and your email. After that, enter your password and confirm it. Now tap on next. Now you'll have to enter your country, your state, and your city. After that, enter your postal code or zip code, your gender, and your birthday. Now enter your ethnicity and finally tap on continue. So for some reason PoF couldn't finish creating my profile, but in your case, after this process you'll have to answer some questions, and once you've answered all of the questions, you will have successfully created an account in Plenty of Fish. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.